welcome to lesson 3 of our adaptations. So today we are actually going to be starting our animal research task, so our project. So I want you to imagine that you are a reporter for the National Geographic magazine, which is a magazine that is worldwide, that reports on animals and plants and the environment all around the world. And you have been asked to write a detailed information report to feature in a special edition of the magazine, which is dedicated to animals and their environment. So, what do you need to do? You need to, first of all, choose an animal. And you're going to choose an animal from the list below. So we have, that you can choose from, we have giant pandas, the southern white rhino, the chimpanzee, the snow leopard, the penguin, the lion, the giraffe, the baboon, the zebra, the polar bear, the orangutan, koala, elephant, owl, tiger, cheetah, gorilla, or flamingo. So those are your options. You only need to choose one. Just one, okay? And once you've chosen that animal, you then need to continue on with the task. So today you're going to be researching. And you're going to be researching and finding out the following pieces of information. So you're going to find out what the common name is and what the scientific name is. What you will find often is that we call animals, say something like the lion, but their actual scientific name is something different. So they have a common name, but they also have a scientific name. We then are going to look at the classification of an animal. So what type of animal is it? So I've got mammal, reptile. If you type in on Google classification of lion, it's going to tell you. So there's mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, fish, marsupials. Those are different types of classifications. What animal group does yours belong to? So for example, if we look at the lion, you might have the classification of the animal is that it is a mammal. And what animal group does it belong to? It belongs to the big cat family. Okay? And then we have habitat. So which environment is your animal from? Where does it live? Does it live in the jungle? Does it live in a desert? What countries is it found in? And then we're going to have a look at the physical appearance. So what does it look like? And then diet, what does it eat? So what you can do in your book, you can put the title of each of these questions into your book and answer it that way. I have also created a Google task sheet for you to put your dot point answers in. These don't have to be in full sentences. This is for you for your research. So I would like to see your answers, but they don't need to be in full sentences. So that is step 2, and that is your task for today. So you're choosing your animal, and then you're finding out some general information about it. If you have any questions, please let me know.